Hi, this is NeoWorldTech. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove the background of a picture using PowerPoint. So let's start. First of all, open PowerPoint and let me insert the shape and fill it with this color so that we can see our change clearly. Okay, so now let me insert the picture for our project. So I have inserted these two pictures and I have taken these pictures from the Google. So let me put them in a separate slide. So this is our picture. So first of all, go through this image. So you can see here this image does only have a white background, so it is quite easier to remove this background. Okay, so to remove this background, just click on the image and go to this format tab. Once you go in this tab and click on color, after that go to set transparent color at the bottom. Okay, once you click on this, and now you click on the background which you want to remove. So in my case, I want to remove this white background, so I am just going to click on this white background, and you can see here we have successfully removed the background. Now you can use this image anywhere in your project. Okay, so now go to the next image. While talking about this image does have a complex background. You can see here there is a grasses, road and so on. So we cannot use this step whatever we do to remove the background of this lion. Okay, so in this case, so if I use these steps, you can see here what happened. The background is not changing. So in this case, what we can do is we can just go to this one, remove background at the top corner. Okay, so once you click on this, you would see this kind of interface. Okay, so just stretch this box outward, you would see like this. Okay, once you do, you can see here the background in this area is not removed, so we can remove this manually. So for this, you go to this mark areas to remove. Okay, so just click on this and now select or mark the areas which you want to remove manually by hand. Okay, so once you do this, just click anywhere outward the photos, and you can see here we have simply removed the background of our photos. Okay, and that's perfect. Now we have successfully removed the background of the photos just simply using the PowerPoint. So we don't have to use any other site or any other software to remove the pictures. That was easier. Thanks for watching the video.